Hey guys, this is Steven from the Green Engineers, and today we're going to talk about how to upload your new versions of the MOS operating system to your Arduino Mega 2560. So now the Multistruder runs on a Arduino Mega 2560, and the software, you're going to need to update the software yourself physically because there's no Wi-Fi or anything like that that is supported currently with the Multistruder. So as of right now, my version 1.1 is released on my GitHub. So what you want to do is you want to go to my GitHub that is on my website or a whole bunch of places. It's on my website on the top bar. It says external links / social media or whatever. Go there, and then my GitHub should be on there. It should also be on the right hand side, maybe if I still have it there. Mainly that toolbar, the nav bar, you'll have it there. Then what you're going to do is you're logged in or whatever, and you're going to click here, and you're on this page. Should look like this. And you're going to hit download zip. And then when you download the zip, what I'm going to do is first I'm going to go ahead, extract files, and I'm going to put it to my desktop. Now when you do that, it should download this entire master what do they call it, branch, the master branch, and it should download to wherever your desktop, whatnot. There it is. Okay, so what you're gonna do is I added some new support for really cool software that allows you to not mess with the Arduino IDE. So when you upload this, you do not actually need to do Arduino IDE, and I will in the future upload the source code as well as these files to allow you to directly upload them to your Arduino. So in order to use that, you need a specific utility called the xloader. So right now it's in my repository on my GitHub. I might remove it because it's not really my software. You might need to go to xloader's website, but as of right now, I don't think there should be any issue for it because it's free to download, whatever. And the license and stuff is in there, so whatever. Anyways, so you go to the xloader here, double click, and then you're going to double click xloader.exe. And then what you're going to do is you see a little dialog pop up, should be about this size. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your Multistruder, you're going to take your data cable. It's got that fat, USB-D end, and then it has a standard USB other end, and yours should be like blue in color. And so you take the fat kind of boxy end, and you plug that into the bottom of your black cover. The Arduino, you should see a black box with a little white, D-shaped cable port next to a black power port, and just go ahead and plug that in. And when you plug that in, you should hear that sound, and it should come up with something like this at the bottom, saying that it's updating the drivers to talk to that particular device. On Windows 10, it should be intermediate. It should be immediate. On other systems, I'm not quite sure. You'll have to. If you have any issues, let me know, and I'll talk you guys through any other issues on that. After that, all you need to do with this software is you need to go to Device and select at Mega 2560 at the very bottom. It's at the very bottom of the list here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to enter in 115200 as baud rate. 1,105 and 200. So 115,200. That's what you're going to enter in for the baud rate. Do not enter in any other number there, just that should be fine. Then what you're going to do is you're going to upload the hex file. So now the hex file is going to be in that main repository under hex files direct upload. And then you'll see MOS 1.1.hex. And then what you're going to do is these are hex files, so I might eventually change this folder name might change, but it should say hex file something. So just go ahead and use this, and then click use this top piece here for a hex file to locate the hex file in your system. Go to your desktop. You can look for MOS master, hex files direct upload, MOS 1.1 or 1.2 or 1.3 or 2.0, whatever it is at the very bottom, whatever the newest version is, the newest one with, the latest date modified or whatever. So go ahead and hit open that, and it should be of a .hex. Should have a .hex extension or say hex file. Go ahead and hit OK. And now that everything's installed, and what happens is when you plug it in, you should still see your standard operating screen. And also, when you're uploading your software, do not have your unit turned on. Keep your unit off. So do not plug it into the wall. Just use your USB-D is enough to power the unit and to program the unit. So do not have it plugged in to the 120 volt or 220 volt coming out of your wall. After that, you're going to go COM port, and it will say your COM right here. You should only have one, and mine's COM 14. The last one I uploaded was COM 13. So just hit COM 14. Now you're ready to go. And then all you do is hit upload. And once you hit upload, it should say uploading on the bottom, and it should take, as of right now, it's taking about 12 to 13 seconds to upload. And you should see at the end, it should tell you how many bytes are uploaded, and you should see your screen change to that new version, whatever changes were made in that new version. Now, using this, you could quickly upload any new operating system to your Arduino in a matter of 15 seconds or less. Rather than needing to open up your INO or the Arduino IDE to compile it and then push it, which I found takes at least 2 to 3 minutes, and that's if you don't have, that's if there's no errors associated with the program at all. So any sort of anything that is a stable version would be put in this, and when I announce that it's been released, you can come here, and first off, you're going to want to save the xloader, as I'm just going to keep using it. And then you're just going to click on that, bring it in here, and then plug in your port. Select your port name, make sure it's Arduino 2560, make sure your baud rate is 115200, and then you're just going to hit upload and upload that to your device, and it should take about 15 seconds. If you have any issues with it saying failed or anything like that, let me know and get into contact with me, and we'll work that out to make sure that you upload your new software. Alright guys, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in later videos. I'll see you guys around. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.